Welcome back to the Duda Experts Education Series, brought to you by the Duda Solutions Partners here at Fixate Media. Today we're going to log into this site and we're going to talk for a few moments about how pages are structured or how pages are laid out. And the caveat to this is you may be using a flex section in your Duda site or even a whole flex site, but this is for non-flex applications. Almost all of your pages are generally going to be made of rows. You have a row, we have another row, we have another row. And the row is going to control this background here. It's going to control the color, it's going to control the spacing on the top and bottom and left and right. And then on top of the row are what are called widgets. And so if I were to click on row here, just as a demonstration and click on design, you can see that I can easily affect a different background color. I could change the width. I could add borders. I could affect all sorts of different aesthetic or design changes or elements. And I can control the spacing or the height, or the padding of these different rows. So changing the top to 20 would slide that up, and changing the bottom to 20 as well would slide the bottom up and make that a more narrow row. And then on top of the rows are widgets. And this is what a text widget looks like. And this is an image widget. And these are SoundCloud widgets, which we'll talk more about in upcoming videos. So pages are made of rows stacked one on top of the other. And then we have widgets, which are contained over here on the side, that are on top of the row, adding the functionality to those pages. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks from the Fixate Duda experts.